Hello students, welcome back to our English classroom. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoyed your Sunday, right? Now let's start with our new topic, with our new lesson, okay? So students, I hope you all are having this textbook, okay? This is your English textbook. Students, today we are going to start a very new topic of your English textbook. So, ready everyone, ready with your English textbook? Take out your English textbook. Okay, now let's start a new topic, that is the golden touch. Okay students, so are you ready? Now let's start. Students, this story about King Midas is a myth from Greece. Okay, story is about King Midas. Okay, and he's from where he is? He's from Greece, or one place. Okay, you can say one country. Now, a myth means a traditional story that has been handed down from one generation to the next. Okay, myth. What is the meaning of myth? Means you can say a very old story that has been handed down from one generation to the next. Okay, so students, myth usually have a lot of magic and excitement. I know students, you all you like to listen the story which have a lot of magic and also excitement, right? So this is one among them. So let's start the story of King Midas. Now students, once upon a time there was a king called Midas. Okay, he was rich, very rich. Okay, and he was fond of collecting gold. Okay, what happened once upon a time? Who was there? There was a king, and what is his name? Midas. Yes, and he is very rich. You know students, the meaning of rich means a person who's having a lot of money and everything. Okay, so king, he was very rich and he was fond of collecting gold. Found means he liked to collect gold. Okay students, now students, though he loved gold a lot, there was one thing in the world he loved more. Okay, as I explain you, I told you that he liked to collect gold. Though he loved gold a lot, there was one thing in the world he loved more. So who's that? It was his lovely little daughter, whom he loved a lot. Okay students, I can see here this King Midas, what I explain you, that he was very rich and he was fond of collecting gold. You can see here he collect a lot of gold. Okay, and though he loved a gold a lot, there was one thing in the world he loved more. And who's that? It was his lovely little daughter. You can see here on the image students, he loved a lot to his lovely little daughter. Okay, hope till here you all have understood about this King Midas. Now we'll see the next. King Midas kept all his gold in a dark room in his palace. Okay, so where he kept all his gold? In a dark room. Okay, he will go down to this dark room and spend hours just looking at all the gold he had collected. Students, you can see in the image, there's this King Midas where he kept all his gold in a dark room, and he sit and hours, means he's sitting more than hours, and he just looking at all the gold he had collected. Okay, now students, he never knew the value of his collection because he never counted the number of ingots he had. Means ingots means a block of gold. You can see here in the picture students, he is holding the block of gold. So students, he never knew the value of his collection. Means he never know that how much gold he is having. Okay, he never counted the number of ingots he had. Okay, he loved to sit down and just look at all his gold. He should have been a happy man, but he was not. He always wanted more. Okay, see, he is having a lot of gold, but then too he is not happy. Why? Because he never know that how much gold he is having, and he was not happy. He think that he want more and more. He always wanted more. Okay, so you can see in the picture what the king say, I want more. Okay, now we'll see what happened one day. One day, sitting in the dark room, watching over his gold, he saw a stranger. You know what is the meaning of stranger? Stranger means the person whom you does not know. Okay, unusual person to whom you never know. So what happened one day? Who appeared in front of him? A stranger. Stranger appearing out of the shadows. And what the strangers asking to King Midas? Midas, you must be a happy man. You have a lot of gold. Okay, what the stranger said to Midas? You must be happy man. Okay, you have a lot of gold. Now let's see what the Midas is given answer. Midas did not stop to think who the stranger was. Okay, when the Midas saw the stranger in front of him, he did not stop to think that who the stranger was. And later the Midas has given answer to the stranger. No, I am not happy. I do not have enough gold. I want more. So what the King Midas said to stranger? That he was not happy. Why he was not happy? Because he did not have enough gold. Means he think that he is not having too much gold. Okay, and he want more. Now let's see what the stranger has given reply to King Midas. How much gold do you need to be happy? So what the answer King Midas has given to stranger? I wish that everything I touch will turn into gold. Okay, so what the King Midas said to stranger? That he wished that everything he touched will turn into gold. Student, imagine when you touch, you think that when you will touch and it will come into gold. So you will be very happy, right? As you all know, gold is very precious, and to purchase the gold it require a lot of money, right? So what the King Midas wish? What was his wish? That everything he touched will turn into gold. Now let's see. Are you sure you want your wish to come true? What the stranger has given reply to King Midas? Are you sure you want your wish to come true? So what the answer King Midas has given to stranger? Yes, I will be very happy if I had the golden touch. Okay, so what is the golden touch? Means anything he will touch, it will turn into gold. So he want that magic. Okay, now the stranger granted, means he has granted him the golden touch and disappear. Okay, means he has given, he has granted him, he has gifted him the golden touch, a magic, means when whatever he touch the things, it will turn into gold. So this magic has granted by the stranger, and then he disappeared, means he went from there. So students, we'll stop till here, and in the next video we are going to see what happened when this King Midas got this wish about the golden touch. Okay, by the time what you are going to do, you have to read the textbook and underline the new words of your English textbook. Okay.